everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and today I have a new Doc Marten unboxing plus 3 extra thrifted items. The main part obviously is the new Doc Marten unboxing, and before I get into the haul, let me take a moment to remind you to please follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. I'll have everything linked down below, but without any more rambling from me, let's get into my new Doc Martens. Okay, so I'm not sure the specific name of this style of Doc Martens, but I've been wanting a pair of these for many years. They don't make this style anymore, and it's really rare to find a pair that's under like $200. I had found one pair in my size previously. They were in a white color, which I'm not a super huge fan of. So I kept on looking because they were, white, and then they were also like $250, which is so much money. And just 2 weeks ago, I was looking through eBay, looking at new Doc Martens in my size that were up for bid, and I found this pair. Got into a little bidding war with somebody else, but I ended up winning. I got them for $50 plus shipping, and I mean they're so beautiful, and I'm so happy because they are in like new condition. There's a little bit of creasing, but nothing, like the soles look like they were never worn. But let me just show you what I'm talking about. So they are these Doc Martens. They're in black, they are lace up, and they're called the Elpie. They're in a size UK 3, which is a 5, and I am so happy I finally have these. I actually have a fake pair, or a like dupe pair that I got from ASOS like 5 or 6 years ago. They are not nearly as comfortable, and these are just so much better quality, and I think I paid like the same amount, so it's just, I'm happy to have the real pair. So, like I said, they're just these lace-up ones. They have a really nice sole, like I said, perfect condition, a little bit of creasing, but they fit really true to size. I will, of course, be trying them on, showing you how they fit. I will say that I'm happily surprised that these actually run kind of narrow. I have pretty narrow feet, so it's always kind of a gamble with Doc Martens if they're going to be too wide, but these are actually, they run pretty narrow, which is really good for me. Okay, with these shoes, you can lace them up all kinds of ways. You can do just the regular lace up, tie them at the front, and be good, or this is my favorite way to do it, cross it and then tie it back. So it kind of, you can loop it through the back loop. I usually don't, but you definitely can. I might get some longer laces for these. So here's the first way, and then here's the second way. There you go, the things in the back. So I'm obviously in Halloween mode already, but these look cute with any socks or without socks if you are so brave to wear these without socks. I, for one, do not like getting blisters, so I usually wear them with socks, but here they are. So, I was just going to do the Doc Marten unboxing and show you how they fit, but this past weekend, I decided to go to an estate sale and then to a smaller thrift store, the St. Vincent de Paul shop, one of the St. Vincent de Paul shops that are here in Houston. Even though thrift stores have been open, it is still kind of risky, so I'd rather go to a smaller thrift store. So let me show you the 3 items that I found. The first item is a pair of earrings that I found at an estate sale that was literally 3 minutes from my apartment. And I didn't really find much there. It was pretty late in the day, and I think everybody had taken all the good stuff, but there was some jewelry, and I was able to snag this pair of vintage sterling silver let me see. Yeah, sterling silver armadillos. They're so cute. They are stamped with 925 and they are nice and lightweight. They were a little tarnished, but I cleaned them and now they are shiny and bright. And I love them. As a Texan, armadillos are one of our native animals, so I thought this just was so cute and kind of unique. So got this for 10 bucks at the estate sale. And these next two items I got at the St. Vincent de Paul shop. So again, I didn't spend too much time there, just kind of went in and out just to see, and I was able to find two really cute dresses. So the first one is this vintage Talbot's dress. It's in a 4 petite. It's this black floral with some purple and green on the flowers, and it's a midi length. It's like right below the knee, and it has this kind of ruffle, it has this kind of ruffle at the bottom, and it fits so cute. It's very kind of 90s style. It'll be really nice for when it actually gets cool here. So here is the first dress, the vintage Talbot dress. Like I said, it is a midi dress. It's kind of shorter in the front, longer in the back. I usually am not a fan of knee length, but this one is just below the knee, which I think will look cute with some boots. And I love this color combination. I don't own much any purple, so here it is up close, and yeah, it's beautiful. And then the last item that I found, oh, still has a tag on it. So I believe that dress was $5, and then this one's $6.99. And this is a vintage Liz Claiborne dress, and it's black. It's a price. And it has these gold circular studs, and it's so cute. I love the neckline. It kind of is a very like a high cut. I don't know what that's called, but yeah. And the only thing that I need to do with this is take it to get hemmed. It is a little bit longer than I want. I want it to be kind of a 60s style mini dress, so I'm definitely going to go get it hemmed. Definitely not doing it myself. This is a dry clean only item, and with the studs it will be definitely tricky to do that. So, and here is the last piece, and it's this beautiful black gold studded dress. Like I said, it's perfect. I just want to get it hemmed. So it is a mini dress. So up there, I think that length, that will kind of modernize it, make it more of a 60s style. It already kind of gives me the vibes with this looser silhouette. So that is how it will look once I go get it hemmed. Like I was saying, it kind of has these wider armholes. It kind of does this V thing. So cute. Really nice material. Okay, so that has been my Doc Marten unboxing. Here's the shoes one more time, just because I am in love with them. So let me know in the comments, what you thought of the items I thrifted this week, what you think of the Doc Martens, if you think I have a problem with buying too many Doc Martens, because I probably do. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.